Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd, fa'awzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة أياما معدودات فمن كان منكم مريدا أو على سفر فعدة من أيام أخر وعلى الذين يطيقونه فدية طعام مسكين فمن تطوع خيرا فهو خير له وأن تصوموا خير لكم إن كنتم تعلمون. Translation: fast for a few days, limited in number, but if someone of you is sick or on a journey, then he should complete same number of days later. And for those who are unable to fast, there is a fidya, compensation of feeding poor for each day. So whoever does more good on his own, it is better for him, and that you should fast is better for you. If you but no, we all know that the commandments of the Islamic law came gradually. For example, the Salah was started and then it was made obligatory for 5 times. It was not obligatory initially for 5 times. Similarly, the prohibition of alcohol came gradually, and here different scholars have explained this ayah differently, but one meaning that appears more correct is that this ayah is referring to the initial commandment of fasting. And when Prophet Muhammad came to Medina, he ordered 3 days fasting each month, and those 3 days were 13th, 14th, 15th of the lunar calendar. And it is easily understood that at that time it was a new commandment and the people were not used to fasting, and if the commandment came as a beginning for the whole month, many people would have found it very difficult. So in the beginning only 3 days were ordered for fasting, and these 3 days are a sunnah to fast even for us even now every month. 3 days, 13, 14, and 15, and these are called the white days, and there's lots of ajr and sawab and good deeds we get if we fast on these 3 days. So in this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has commanded that if someone is sick or someone is traveling, he has to complete these days later. But if somebody can fast but he does not want to fast, he was given um, a different way of giving fidya of feeding one person like 2 meals, and this is as if he has kept himself away for the 2 meals by feeding the other person. So it was kind of equal or similar to fast. But in this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that whoever does more will be better for him, meaning that if someone is feeding like 2, 3, 4, 5 or whatever number of people, or if somebody is feeding other people, poor people, and fasting as well, it is good. But after this, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that if you fast, it is better for you because you do not know what is the reward of fasting. Now, this ayah after this ayah, the ayah came in which the whole month of Ramzan fasting was made obligatory. And after the next ayah, which we'll inshallah study tomorrow, this fidya has not been an option for us. We have to fast 30 days or complete it in the other days if we are traveling or sick. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.